Title: Unleash Your Adventure, Exploring the Roc Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. Opening scene. Hey there, outdoor enthusiasts. Are you on the hunt for a versatile and exciting new way to explore waters near you? Look no further than the Roc Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. Whether you're a seasoned paddler or just starting out, this is the perfect companion for your aquatic adventures. Scene 1. Introducing the product. Imagine the serenity of gliding across calm lakes, the thrill of catching waves on the ocean, or the fun of navigating through winding rivers, all with the Roc Inflatable Paddleboard. Crafted for both youth and adults, this wide stable design ensures maximum comfort and safety while you enjoy your paddling journey. Scene 2. Premium accessories. But that's not all. When you invest in the Roc Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard, you're not just getting a board, you're receiving an entire package of premium accessories. Your kit includes a durable and adjustable SUP paddle, a high-pressure hand pump, a repair kit, and a convenient carry bag. Scene 3. Benefits and features. One of the standout features of this inflatable paddleboard is its non-slip comfort deck. Say goodbye to wobbling around and focus on your paddling technique instead. The Roc Inflatable Paddleboard also boasts exceptional stability, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced paddlers alike. Scene 4. Use cases. So, where can you take this versatile watercraft? The possibilities are endless. Whether you're looking to relax on a peaceful lake, challenge the waves at the beach, or embark on an adventurous river excursion, the Roc Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard is up for the task. Scene 5. How to use. Using your new Roc Inflatable Paddleboard is as easy as can be. Simply unfold it from its compact carry bag, inflate it with the included high-pressure hand pump, attach the adjustable SUP paddle, and you're ready to hit the water. When you're done for the day, simply deflate, fold up and store away until your next adventure. Scene 6. Comparisons. Now, you might be wondering, what sets the Roc Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard apart from other models on the market? For starters, its wide stable design ensures maximum comfort and safety. Plus, with premium accessories included in the package, you'll be saving money compared to buying each item separately. Scene 7. Practical tips. To get the most out of your Roc Inflatable Paddleboard experience, we recommend wearing a personal flotation device, PFD, and checking local water conditions before heading out. Also, remember to have fun and enjoy the journey. Closing scene. Call to action. Are you ready to embrace the freedom and excitement that comes with paddling on the water? Don't waste any more time, grab your Roc Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard today and embark on an unforgettable adventure. The only thing left to decide is which body of water will be your next destination. Happy paddling, friends!